Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? And as long with that, you are also tired of paying brokerage to multiple brokers but not able to finalize one single property yet? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online prop tech service. Now, what exactly is a prop tech service? This is the place where we help you do virtual site tours. So you don't actually have to visit physically to 10 different sites to finalize or to shortlist a property. What we will do is that we will tell you everything about the property, the land parcel, the amenities, the towers, the configurations, the price, and also if the sample flat is ready, we'll show that to you as well right over here. And once you have seen it, then you can go ahead with the booking process. Now, let me also tell you that at Property Cloud, we connect you directly with the developers, and thereby we also offer you many spot payment options, booking offers, and lot many other discounts and vouchers as well. Now, if this was not enough, let me also tell you that when we are doing all of this for you, we're also making it sure that it is hassle-free and brokerage-free. You heard it right. It's absolutely zero brokerage for you when you are buying a property with us right here at Property Cloud. I'm going to take you on the site visit, a virtual site visit of a very beautiful property. Want to know which one? Stay with me. I'm just moving there. And today I am here at L&T Realty's brand new project, which is Raintree Boulevard, which is in Hebel. Now, this project is located bang on the highway, and that's the reason from here, the international airport is just about half an hour's drive. And along with that, the Manyata Tech Park is also in very close vicinity. Along with that, this is located right next to Phoenix Mall of Asia. So Inox, be it shopping, be it leisure, luxury, or even much more retail complexes. Everything is very much close. Now, I also need to tell you that what exactly is the project all about. So I'm going to first show you the project 3D model, and then I'm going to show you the model flat as well. Let's go and take a look at the project 3D model. And by the time we're walking there, let me tell you that the whole project is constructed in a land parcel of approximately 65 acres, out of which 30 acres is going to be residential and the rest of it is going to be commercial and retail development. So I'm going to tell you only about the residential part today. Stay tuned with me. And this is the total 30-acre land parcel, which will have 8 towers. But first, I want to show you the amenities over here. This is the grand clubhouse that will have all the internal amenities like the squash court, the internal gymnasium, the billiards table, and many more. But now let me also show you the external amenities. This is going to be your basketball court, and over here is your tennis court and the outside sitting area, the kids play area, and yet another additional kids play area, and also a net cricket facility is available. Now, here are the beautiful gazebos and the greeneries, and this over here is the entrance to your basement parking. These are yet another facilities, but I want to show you the beautiful swimming pool that they have right outside the clubhouse. That's where it's gonna be, along with the beachside cafe as well. There are a couple of more green patches that are going to be some more gazebos and another net cricket ground also. But what is more special is the model flat. I've already shown you the amenities, and now let me tell you that the model flat that I'm going to show you is of a 3 BHK, but the units that are available are only of 4 BHKs. So the model flat is a 3 BHK plus the servants' quarter. Let's go and take a very quick look at it. And this is the 1935 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Let's take a look at it from inside. This is your foyer area, wherein this space can be utilized for your shoe racks or storage units. And right behind me is the living and the dining area. Now, this is your dining and this is your living area. But the first thing that I want to show you is the kitchen, which is right at the entrance of the house and pretty accessible to your dining area as well. Let's take a look over here at the kitchen. Now, your kitchen comes with a pretty big window for perfect ventilation and lighting. And also now it's time to take a look at your dry utility area. And right inside your dry utility area is this place. That is your maid's entrance. Now, this is your maid's room. The maid's entrance door has been kept separate, and this is the washroom. Let me now take you back right into the house from the main entrance. Now, from here we will get back into the house. This was the foyer area, the dining area, and now once again the grand living area. Now along with all of this, right next to the dining area is the powder room as well. Your wash basin and the powder room that comes with anti-skid tiles and the CE sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. This over here is the balcony. Now let's take a look at the balcony. The flooring is wooden and anti-skid, wooden finished ceramic tiles, and the balcony is also covered from the top to protect you from the Bengaluru rains. But let's get inside the house and take a look at the rest of the place. Now as you can already see that this living and dining has been given in a rectangular format. The reason being that even if you're sitting in the living area on your couch or having dinner with your family, the TV is very easily accessible to the whole family, even if it is guests or the family members. And now you can already see how huge it is. It's time to take a look at the bedrooms. All the 3 bedrooms have been clustered at one place. This maintains privacy so that even if somebody comes to your house, they do not have access to the internal privacy over here. Now this is the first bedroom of the house. This can be converted into a study room, or it can be kept as a kid's bedroom as well, and it also has a pretty big window so that it is always well ventilated and also well lit. Now as I told you, this room can be converted into a study or a library or a bedroom for the kids, but it's also time to take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So from here we will walk into this bedroom. This is the guest bedroom or the parents' bedroom. Now this one also comes with a really big window for ventilation and lighting, and there's an attached toilet and wash to it as well. Now this toilet and wash also comes with anti-skid tiles on the flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And here is the master bedroom of the house. Of course, the tiling changes because this is the master bedroom of the house. The feel of it changes, and because it is the master bedroom again, you get an attached toilet and wash with it as well. Now this one also comes with a glass shower cubicle inside and anti-skid tiles and the CP sanitary fittings as well. But what's a master bedroom without a master balcony? Here is your master balcony for your master bedroom. Now here the tiles, despite being wooden finished ceramic tiles, so the tiles have changed despite being the same wooden tiles, but it has changed because to give you a different feel of the balcony. And the balcony over here is also covered from 2 sides, from the top and one side over here, and it comes with this iron railing as well. Now with so many added advantages of this property, I'm sure you are wondering how can you shortlist these properties added to your shortlisted list and then come and visit it. Well, stay tuned with me because I am just about to tell you what next. And now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process. Well, it's very simple. There is a link that's mentioned right in the captions below. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will contact you. That's right, you don't have to contact us, you don't have to do any effort. All you need to do is simply click on the link below, register yourself on Property Cloud so that our sales representative will get in touch with you, take you around the properties with a cab, that too with a free pickup and drop service as well. So everything is free. There is no effort required. It's hassle free, it's brokerage free, and also the pickup and drop service is absolutely free. Now, what are you waiting for? Quickly register yourself on Property Cloud so that we can help you buy your dream house very quickly. And do not forget that this is a Bengaluru and you need to plan your site visits so that you can do it effortlessly and seamlessly. Quickly do that. I'm going to see you soon. Thank you.